In this video, we will see how to use question making words in Sanskrit sentences. So, the question making words in Sanskrit is divided into two categories. One is table based, that is Kim Sarvanama Shabdaha in three lingam, Pullingam, Strilingam, and Navamsakalingam. And the other category is question making words which doesn't have any other forms or which is not used on the basis of any gender. They are Kutra, Kutaha, Kimartham, Kati, Kada, and Kidrishaha. So now we will see one by one with examples how they are used in sentences, that is in questions. The first question making word is where, that is Kutra. Kutra Ramaha Gatavan. Where did Rama go? Kutra Sakshatkarena Satyam Prakashate. Where does truth manifest? Through direct experience. Kutra Milanam Kushalam Bhavishyati. Where would a peaceful reunion be auspicious? So, in these sentences, in the form of questions, where is used in English, and we have to use Kutra to get the meaning of where in Sanskrit. Next word, Kutaha. Kutaha means from where. Kutaha eshaha shabdaha utpannaha. From where did this sound arise? Kutaha dukkasya karanam iti manyate. From where do you believe sorrow originates? Kutaha tvam aharam anayasi. From where do you bring food? So in Sanskrit, there are separate words for where and from where. Kutra and Kutaha. The third one is Kimartham. Why or for what purpose? Kimartham tvam maunam dharanam karoti. Kimartham satyam kadhinam abhivyaktyate. Kimartham yuddham avasyakam iti manyase. So Kimartham is used to ask why or for what purpose in Sanskrit. The next question word is Kati. Whenever we are talking about numbers in Sanskrit, how many? Then we have to use Kati. Kati grandaha tvaya paditaha, Kati devataha pujitaha atra, Kati prashnaha uttaram praptavantaha. Next question is when, that is Kada. Kada tvam agamishyasi. Kada jnanam avabodhayishyati. Kada balaha hasyam kurvan drishyate. So when we use Kati for how many, Kada is used for when. Next one is Kidrishaha, Kidrishi, or Kidrisham. There are three based on three nouns. When we use for Pullingam nouns, we have to use Kidrishaha, Strilingam Kidrishi, and Nabumsakalingam Kidrisham. So you can refer one question each for three genders here. The next one is Kadham, how. Kadham tvam nirnayam karoti. Kadham ayam doshaha sambhutaha. Kadham lokaha nityam parivartanam anubhavati. So these are the question making words which are not included in any noun tables or pronoun tables. Next we are seeing those question words which are from the tables. So first Pullingam, Kaha vanam rakshitum udyataha. Dvidya vibhakti, Ramaha kau kadham parajitavan, where the answer will be in Dvidya vibhakti. When Kaha is the question, answer will be in Pradhama vibhakti. And when answer is in Tridya vibhakti, we have to use Kena. Pandavaha Kena Astrena Yuddhe Vijayam Praptavan. When the answer is in Chaturthi vibhakti, the question word should be Kasmai. Raja Kasmai Puraskaram Dattavan. Balakaha Kasmad Bitaha Abhavat. From whom? For Panjami, we have to use the question word Kasmad in Pullingam. Kasya Guroho Upadeshaha Shreyaha Bhavati. When answer is in Shashti Pullingam, question will be Kasya. And Kasmin for Saptami Pullingam. Veeraha Kasmin Sangrame Parakramam Darshitavan. So these are the examples of one vibhakti from all the akaranta, ikaranta, okaranta, all Pullingam tables.